Rockwell International School was set up with the vision of following and inculcating the values of Guru Shishya Parampara.
Today among us we have the Kuchipudi Guru, Dr. Shobha Naidu, and her Shishya, Mrs. Usha Vinod, who are the recipients of this year's Guru Shishya Award. I now request our principal, Mrs. Manija Subramaniam, to felicitate the Guru, Dr. Shobha Naidu, and Shishya, Mrs. Usha Vinod. I also request our chief guest, chairman, and directors to join us.
Dr. Shobha Naidu is among India's topmost exponents of Kuchipudi dance. Her creative imagination and deep concern has earned her the sobriquet of complete dancer. She was born in Anakapalli, Visakhapatnam district and was an outstanding student of Sri Vempati Chinna Satyam. She played all the lead roles from a young age as Satyabhama and Padmavati with her captivating abhinaya.
Absolutely devoted to art, she has established the Kuchipudi Art Academy in Hyderabad in 1980 with a view to produce a generation of Kuchipudi dancers who can continue the tradition with dedication. As the director and principal of the academy ever since its inception, Dr. Shobha Naidu could successfully run the academy for around 30 years now. Dr. Shobha Naidu has toured all over the world, giving remark only to performances, but by imparting dance to students. She has established a small school so as to enable kids to learn this valuable, prestigious art to the next generation. She is a holder of certificate and diploma in dance. She is very grateful to her guru and her parents, Srimati Shobha Devi and Sri Suresh Kumar, and also to her husband, Sri Vinod Kumar, for their encouragement and total support.
I now request Dr. Shobha Naidu to say a few words.
Hello. I'd like to Mr. Murli to say a few words and to introduce.
Sabuk Namaskaram. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Though Rockwell International School, it is an international school, Subhash, under his able leadership, we decided that we will respect the Guru Shishya Parampara, the good old tradition of the Guru, the who is going to show the way, and the student who is going to take that way. So that is the reason, the second year in succession, we are continuing this tradition of Guru Shishya Parampara. It would be my honor to request Dr. Shobha Naidu Garu to say a few words and address the gathering.
Distinguished Chief Guest Sri Mohan Reddy Garu, other guests on the dais, my dear students, parents, faculty, staff and management, a very good evening. It is really a very good evening, and that good evening was given by the children who enthralled us with their wonderful performances and their wonderful speeches. I congratulate the children. I would like to thank the management for having chosen me and my student Usha Vinod as the recipients of Guru Shishya Award. I also congratulate the management for the successful completion of second year of the Rockwell School. Education gives us life, but leading life mechanically is not only the criteria. We should lead the life with happiness and peace. Let us recollect the popular quotes of the famous people. Swami Vivekananda said, "Education is the manifestation of the perfection." Nelson Mandela said, "Education is a powerful weapon with which we can change the entire world." Einstein said, "Education is that which remains after one has forgotten everything he learned in the school." Formal education gives us a living, but self-education makes a human being. For that, we require the help of fine arts, like dance, music, painting, and whatever it is. I request all the parents to join their kids in one of the fine arts. Because as an artist, I would like to share my experience with you. While dancing on the stage, I try to take the audience into my world. I try to withdraw you into my world. And we, both the artist and audience, travel together in that world of rasa, that ras jagattu. That is possible only with the fine arts. And as a teacher, my experience is, parents come to me saying that we would like to join our children, but we have a fear that their studies will be disturbed. Not at all. I ask them to join and they join their kids. After 6 months, they come to me saying that my girl stood as a topper in the school. That is because of the dance. Because while dancing, we have to concentrate on so many things, vocal, music, instruments, mridangam, etc., lyrics and all. And that concentration would be automatically applied on the studies and they stand as the first rankers. So I request all the students to give priority to the education, but your second priority should be the fine arts. And my another request to students, respect your mother tongue, and respect your mother country. The whole world respect our Indian arts. We should respect all the cultures, but before that, we should respect our own culture. That is my request. And I would like to conclude this speech. I wish that Rockwell School would flourish into a Vatavruksha, spreading its branches all over the country and all over the world. I wish the management all the success in their future ventures. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everybody. I would like to give a small speech, a thanks note. Gurubhyo Namaha. Respected Madam, distinguished guests on the dais and everybody present here, a very warm good evening. I'm very happy to receive this award, Guru Shishya Parampara Award, and more than that award, I am very happy to be associated with my guru on this dais. I was joined 6 years before, when I was 6 years old. My madam took her under her guidance, and she molded me into a dancer competent to receive this award today. I'm very happy. I thank my parents for taking the initiative, joining in the academy, and thank my guru for teaching each and every step, not only a dance, she has also taught us how to go on and mingle with the culture, and also how to give respect to the elders and how to follow the tradition. And I have learned a lot from my madam. I am always thankful to my guru and my parents, and also my husband also. He's very supportive, and my parents and my husband, they are very supportive to say dance or anything. They are very supportive. And at last but not the least, I thank Rockwell Institution for giving me this award. And I once again thank my guru from bottom of my heart. Thanks a lot, my madam.